How you doing? Dave Barattinelli here at MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the brand new 2021 Azimut 55 Fly. Starting in the aft, one of the nice features, you got crew quarter entry from the cockpit, and down there you've got AC heat, a berth, toilet, shower, and a flat screen TV, as well as some storage. On the platform, as we do with all of our Azimuts, hydraulic platform, of course. Moving into the cockpit, you'll notice the beautiful synthetic marble tables with the teak touch here. Nice big seating here in the cockpit. Of course, Azimut, nice big overhang, protection from the sun and elements back here in the cockpit area. You do have storage underneath the seats. You do have a ice maker here in the cockpit area, Fusion stereo remote. And one of the unique features on the 55 is you've got an aft galley, and you can see our power window is down, and very easily you can notice this door will open. Now you can open up this whole area into your cockpit. Really one entertaining purpose, cockpit and your salon area. Coming in on the 55 starboard side, you've got a nice settee here. Really easily is your full AC/DC panel. On your port side, nicely appointed galley, all Miele appliances, 4-burner stove top, induction oven, hidden fridge, freezer, full size. Of course, there's storage underneath here and here, also acts as a bar. Here you've got your freshwater sink, you've got storage. Of course, you've got overhead storage. The boat has a ton of storage. You'll notice that they didn't waste any space. Coming up into the upper salon area here, you've got a nice U-shaped settee on the port side, and then on the starboard you do have a couch. This couch is kind of a neat feature. This lifts up here, cushion pulls out, and there's a filler cushion to fill in behind to make another berth here if you needed another sleeping area. Of course, Azimut, we've got our nice big window so you can see all the natural light that we have in here. You don't get any dungeon feel. This is a nice power table, so this is up and down, electric, and this boat you can move out, you can move in, and you can also open it up and put the filler in to make a nice big table if you're entertaining for dinner. You've got your hideaway TV on the starboard side here, so that's behind the helm there, so that obviously comes all the way up and hides away when you're not using it. At the helm area, you've got dual seats, captain passenger. Of course, your beautiful acrylic dash, full Ray Marine electronics, radar, GPS, chop plotter, fish finder. These will also incorporate all of your boat systems. So your air conditioning, your battery, your charging systems, everything is built into here, which is nice because you can control all your AC controls from here or up on the bridge. Of course, the boat is equipped with 800 mans, and it does, of course, have your full joystick control. Coming downstairs into the staterooms, we'll have you go on the starboard side. That's going to be a side-by-side bunk starboard room, nice hanging closet, and of course a whole side window for some more natural light. Coming into the guest VIP stateroom forward, you can see because of our squared off bows, you can notice how much room is in this forward stateroom versus a lot of other competitors' boats. Hull side windows, and of course you've got hanging closets on both port and starboard. And again, more storage. Flat screen TV behind me, Bose soundbar, and with all Azimuts, very unique. A lot of storage, especially underneath the berth. You do have an entry from the guest / day head from the guest VIP or from here as the day head. Full separate shower, nicely appointed, whole side windows. And then as we come aft, we're going to come into the Master VIP. As we come down here, you can see huge hull side windows, a lot of natural light, very, very bright inside of here. They've kitty cornered the bed, so it's very easy to move around the bed. Again, tons and tons of storage. You've got storage there, and they even added a drawer here. All LED lights underneath. Our mirror here, of course, your flat screen TV, Bose surround sound bar, Nice big closet back here. You do have a built-in safe course, you've got your washer dryer tucked away in here. And then you've got your master head. And now I'm going to take you up to the bow area. You do have both starboard and port side doors, so it's easy to get on and off the boat if you are tied up on the starboard side. Coming forward, you can see the nice big high rails on the side, plenty of room to work on the gunnels, and full teak up and down the gunnels. So here we are on the bow of the 55. We've got a ton of a ton of seating here, as you can see in the big sun pad. There is a power top that is tucked away now that does come up, so you can get some shade up here in the bow area. Anchor windlass with a freshwater rinse. And now Al will follow me and we'll go up to the bridge. Coming up to the bridge, of course, nice grab rail, nice wide steers, all teak. First thing you'll notice coming up on the port side behind the helm, you've got your prep station, freshwater sink, Kenyon electric stovetop, and of course your isotherm refrigerator underneath. And tuck away garbage can here. So starting in the aft, you'll see we've got our traditional Azimut beautiful lounge with our table in the middle there, so great area for entertaining. Here on the starboard side, you've got an enormous couch with a nice synthetic marble inlay with teak for the trim here. Nice big hardtop, really nicely finished. Manual shade, shade here, so you can pull this all up really easily. And then here at the helm, again, you can see it is the same as downstairs, 2-ray marine screens. Control everything from here. Joystick throttles, and keep in mind we're on the port side, so if you dock port side you can be up here, if you dock starboard side you can be down at the lower helm. Again, thank you again for joining us. This is the 2021 55 Azimut Fly. For more information, contact me, Dave Barodinelli, at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.